Assume the feeling of your wish being fulfilled, and watch the world reshape itself around you. Neville Goddard. Have you ever truly considered how powerful your imagination is? The truth is, everything you desire, every change you wish to see in your life, begins with your mind. The moment you understand that your consciousness is the only reality, everything starts to shift. If you believe that your external world is shaping your inner world, then you've misunderstood the process of creation. It's not the outside world influencing your inner state, it's the reverse. Your thoughts, your feelings, and your inner assumptions shape the world you experience. This is the secret to manifesting your desires quickly. You see, the world is a reflection of your mind. And once you think of the fact that your imagination is not separate from reality but is indeed the foundation of it, you will begin to unlock the life you've always dreamed of. It's not about waiting for things to change, it's about changing the way you see things from within. Imagination is not a mere tool for creativity or a space where daydreams occur, it's far more powerful than that. Imagination is the fabric through which your desires manifest into physical reality. When you use your imagination deliberately, you are tapping into a force that can bring about change faster than any physical action could. To manifest quickly, you must begin by living in the end. This is crucial. Think of your desire not as something you are striving toward but as something you already have. In your mind's eye, feel the reality of your wish fulfilled. Picture yourself living the life you desire, feeling the emotions that come with it. When you make this mental shift, you activate the process of creation. It's not enough to wish or hope, you must know and feel that it is already done. The feeling is the secret. Every thought and emotion has a vibrational frequency, and when your feelings are aligned with the end result of your desire, you naturally draw that outcome to you. It's as though the universe rearranges itself to match the image in your mind. Many people make the mistake of looking to the external world for validation or proof that their desires are coming true. But the key to rapid manifestation is to assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled now, regardless of your current circumstances. Assumption is the act of claiming that which you want as if it is already yours. When you persist in this assumption, your outer world must conform to your inner state. Don't be discouraged if things don't seem to change immediately. The delay is only the time it takes for your new assumption to replace your old beliefs. Stay faithful to the feeling that it's already done, and reality will shift accordingly. Your assumptions, when held firmly and consistently, shape your future. It's not just positive thinking, it's embodying the state of having what you want now. One of the most critical aspects of manifesting your desires quickly is persistence. You cannot waver between doubt and belief. If you constantly shift between feeling your desire is fulfilled and then doubting whether it will come to pass, you weaken the process. Persistence in your assumption, despite any contrary evidence, is what accelerates manifestation. The world reflects your dominant thoughts and feelings. If you want to change your world, you must remain steadfast in your new assumptions. It doesn't matter how impossible the situation may seem. When you persist in your desired state, it becomes your new reality. This unwavering belief is the key to making your desires materialize with speed. Think of it this way: the longer you stay in the feeling of already having what you desire, the quicker it must manifest. The outer world has no choice but to reflect the state you've embodied within. A major obstacle that prevents many from manifesting their desires is doubt and fear. These emotions come from the belief that you are separate from your desires or that external forces have more control over your life than you do. But this is simply not true. Your doubts are illusions created by your mind. They only hold power if you give them attention. To manifest quickly, you must learn to silence the inner chatter that says it can't happen. How do you do this? By returning again and again to the feeling of your wish fulfilled. Whenever doubts arise, remind yourself that they are merely remnants of your old way of thinking. You have the power to shift your focus back to what you desire. One effective way to silence doubt is through the practice of gratitude. When you focus on the blessings in your life and the feeling of abundance, you naturally raise your vibration. Gratitude shifts your energy and helps you stay in the state of having rather than lacking. The more you feel grateful for what you have, and for what is on its way, the more you attract into your life. The idea of living in the end may sound simple, but it is a practice that requires daily focus. Each day, take time to vividly imagine yourself already living your desire. Make it as real in your mind as possible. Feel the joy, the peace, the excitement. How would you walk, speak, and think if your dream had already come true? As you do this, you begin to embody the state of having your desire. You are no longer seeking or wanting, you are now being. This is the key to manifesting quickly. The universe responds to who you are, not what you want. So, become the person who has what you desire. Your mind is the master of your reality. It is through focused intention and clear imagination that you shape the experiences of your life. Reminder: nothing exists outside of your consciousness. If you want to change your life, you must first change your mind. Faith is a vital component of quick manifestation. Faith does not mean hoping that something might happen, it means knowing with certainty that it will. Faith is not based on what you see but on what you feel to be true within. You don't need physical proof, your belief is the evidence. When you have faith in the unseen, you align yourself with the creative power of the universe. This faith allows you to move forward confidently, even when there is no visible sign of change. Trust that the moment you plant a seed in your mind, the process of manifestation has already begun. Just because you don't see it immediately doesn't mean it isn't happening. The invisible forces are working on your behalf. Faith bridges the gap between your current reality and the reality you desire. It's the knowing that what you have imagined is already on its way, and nothing can stop it from unfolding in your life. While persistence in the feeling of the wish fulfilled is crucial, so too is the art of letting go. Letting go doesn't mean giving up on your desire, it means releasing the need for control or worry about how or when it will happen. Once you've planted the seed of your desire in your imagination, trust that it will manifest at the perfect time. Letting go means allowing the universe to work its magic without interference from your doubts or impatience. You've done your part by imagining and feeling the end result. Now, relax and let the manifestation unfold. You don't need to chase after your desires, they will come to you when you align with them energetically. By letting go of the need for immediate results, you show trust in the process. This trust opens the door for rapid manifestation. When you no longer feel the need to force or push, you allow things to happen naturally and effortlessly. Manifesting your desires quickly is not about working harder or wishing for things to change. It's about aligning your inner state with the reality you want to create. Your imagination is the starting point, and your feelings are the fuel. When you consistently assume the feeling of your wish being fulfilled, and persist in that state, you will see your desires manifest faster than you ever thought possible. So, your consciousness is the only reality. Everything begins and ends within you. What you believe to be true, you will experience. What you feel to be real, will become real. It is the law of life. Now, as we draw this conversation to a close, it's time to reflect on the power that resides within you. You have the ability to create the life you desire through the power of your imagination, beliefs, and unwavering faith. By shifting your inner world, you alter your external reality. You no longer have to wait for life to hand you opportunities or for circumstances to align. Instead, you take control, directing your energy and focus toward the life you wish to live. What's important now is consistency and application. The knowledge you've gained must be put into practice. It's in these small, conscious decisions, day by day, that you'll see your reality shift and your desires take form. Every thought, feeling, and assumption you hold has the potential to change your world. Make sure they align with what you truly want. If you found value in these insights, take a moment to engage with this content. Your support helps spread this empowering message to others who may need it. First, go ahead and hit the like button if this resonated with you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future content that can guide you further on your path to manifestation. If you think others could benefit from learning these ideas, share this video with friends or loved ones. Also, leave a comment below and let me know what you're manifesting in your life right now. I'd love to hear your experiences. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you're alerted as soon as new videos are released. Stay committed to these practices, and you'll witness the rapid manifestation of your desires. The key is to keep your thoughts and feelings aligned with the outcome you want, trusting that it's already unfolding in perfect timing. Thank you for being here today. Your journey of growth and manifestation continues from here, and I'm excited for all that's yet to unfold for you.